Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Razam and I'm here to explain about compound interest. Compound interest is interest on a loan or deposit calculated based on initial principal and accumulate interest from previous period. It can be interest on interest and will make some grow at faster rate than simple interest, which is calculate. Formula is compound amount S equal P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket and power of N. The explanation about the formula. P is stand from principal, it is amount of money borrowed, deposit or invested. I stand for interest rate of period. K per M, K is nominal rate and M is a number of time. N equal M principal T. T is a term or leg in years. At the right of slash, it is a schedule of about compound and number of the time interest calculate. Now this is a problem. The problem is now a specific amount of money is invested at a quarterly compound interest rate of 5.4%. After 5 years, this investment will be worth it RM11768.4. Question A. Find the original investment. The formula is S equal P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket and power of N. Now we need to find I first. I equal K per M. I equal 0.054 per 4. N equal M multiple T. N equal 4 multiple 3 equal 12. The calculate is 117,968.4 equal P open bracket 1 plus 0.054 per 4 close bracket and power of 20. P open bracket 1.0135 and power of 20 equal 11768.4. P equal 11768.2 per 1.0135 and power of 20. And the answer for P is 9,000. And the question of B. The bank raised its interest rate of 7% compound quarterly after the 5 years. Find the amount in the account at the end of 8 years. The formula is S equal P open bracket 1 plus I power of N. So we need to find I first. I equal K per M. I equal 0.07 per 4. And N equal M multiple T. N equal 4 multiple T. And the answer is 12. So the calculate is S equal 9,000 open bracket 1 plus 0.07 per 4 and power of 12. And the answer of N of S is 11082.95383. So we need to find amount in the account at the end of 8 years. The calculation is 11768.4 minus 9,000 equal 2768.4. 11082.95383 minus 9,000 and equal is 2082.95383. The last answer is 2768.4 plus 2082.95383 plus 9,000 and the answer is 1351 and 35. Question C. Determine the investment total interest after 8 years. So we need to take the total amount and it is 13851.35 minus 9,000 and the final answer is 4851.35.
My name is Syarif Anwar and I will answer part A question 2. Aisha made a deposit of 4,000 into a bank account that earned interest at rate of K% compounded semi-annually. Upon the completion of a 30-month period, the total accumulated value reached 4,750.75. Determine the value of interest rate K. The formula is S equal P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket the power of N. 4,750 and 75 cents equal to 4,000 open bracket 1 plus I close bracket the power of N at the power of 5. And 4,750 and 75 cents will per 4,000 and we will get the answer 1.1876875. Next, we will get 0.035000208. And after that, we must per 2 and we can get the answer 0.52%. Next, question 2. Prior to 2 years ago, Ali deposit 300 into a saving account yielding 3% quarterly compounded interest. He intends to deposit RMS into a saving account today. Determine the value of X if he accepts to have 10,000 in years account in 5 years. And the answer is 3,000 open bracket 1 plus 0.03 per 4 close bracket the power of 8, and we will get the answer 3,184 and 80 cent. And we will take the 10,000, we minus the answer just now, and we get the 6,215 and 20 cent. Next, we just use the formula just now, and we will per 6,815 cent with 1.0075 close bracket the power of 20, and we get the answer 5,869 cent and 69 and 18 cent. Next is annuity. Annuity is a series of predict payment or deposit usually made in equal amount of at equal interval of time. An ordinary annuity certain is an annuity certain for which payments are made at the end of each payment period. Example of annuity: insurance policy, annual dividends. The future value of the annuity is sum of the future values of the predict payments. Formula of future value for annuity. Next, the present value of the annuity is the sum of the present values of the predict payments. Present value must be at the beginning period of annuity. Formula of the present value for annuity is just like that. Part B, question 1. Ahmad purchased a retirement plan for 500,000 that pays monthly compounded interest of 2.78%. What is the monthly pension he could receive if he retires at age 55 and seeks to draw from the retirement fund? He 85 years old. We just use the formula and we get the 500,000 equal to R close bracket open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.0278 per 12 close bracket the power of negative 360 per 0.0278 per 12 close bracket, and we get the last answer is 2,049 and 16 cent. That's all from me.
Hi, my name is Abdul Hadi. Part B, question 2. Nurul Ain is interested in purchasing an 500,000 semi-detached property. She pays a 10% down payment at the balance is financed at a bank with a 5% compound monthly interest rate. She has 30 years to repay the loan through monthly payments. 8. Calculate the monthly payment of the loan. Use the formula A equal R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 minus I bracket minus power of n divided by I. I is 0.05 divided by 12. N equal 316. 450,000 equal R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 0.05 divided by 12 bracket minus 316 bracket divide by 0.05 divided by 12. R equal 450,000 multiply 0.05 divided by 12 per 1 bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.05 divided by 12 bracket minus 316 powers and bracket, and get the answer is 2415.17. 2b, find the total interest charge. Use the formula interest equal and R minus A. I equal 2415.60 bracket 360 bracket minus 450,000, and the answer is 419,652 ringgit. C. If Nurul Ain failed to pay the first 3 monthly payment, calculate the amount she had to pay on the fourth payment in order to settle the outstanding arrears. Use the formula which is S equal R bracket 1 plus I bracket power of n minus 1 divided by I bracket. S4 equal 2415.60 bracket 1 plus bracket 0.05 divided by 12 bracket 4 bracket divided by 0.05 per 12. And answer for outstanding area is 9723.36 ringgit. Question D. Immediately after paying the 240th payment, Nurul Ain decide to settle the balance of the loan. Find the amount to be paid. Balance payment is 316 minus 214 and get 120. Use the formula A equal R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket minus the power of n bracket divided by I. After use this formula, 2415.70 bracket 1 minus bracket 1 minus 0.05 divided by 12 bracket the power of minus 120 bracket divided by 0.05 per 12 and get the answer 227755.46 ringgit.